JP Morgan Automated Investing App Pricing explained what you get for your money. JP Morgan's automated investing app combines professional portfolio management with the convenience of digital access. Many assume such services come with steep fees, but JP Morgan offers transparent pricing. The app is free to download, and you can start investing with no minimum deposit. The service charges a 0.35% annual management fee on assets under management, covering portfolio allocation, automatic rebalancing, and access to investment insights. There are no trading commissions, and deposits and withdrawals are free. Most people get this wrong by thinking professional-grade automated investing requires a large investment. The surprising truth is that JP Morgan's algorithms allow you to start small while benefiting from the same portfolio strategies used by high-net-worth clients. For instance, its zero investment can be diversified across assets and bonds tailored to your risk tolerance, rebalance automatically to maintain your target allocation. The app also includes performance tracking, goal setting, and notifications, ensuring your investments are monitored efficiently. In conclusion, JP Morgan's automated investing app provides accessible, professional portfolio management at transparent, low-cost pricing. It's ideal for investors who want hands-off investing with the reliability of a major financial institution.